Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka School Nativity Higher Secondary School kalara Biang yakanam lado ha kalimpong yelekai athletic jongki khana school kabatip kum ka 12 district level inter school athletic meet arhajar apunrio balapanya da ka office jong district sports officer ka Southwest Khasi Hills district wat ka Southwest Khasi Hills district athletic association ya kene kalimpong kabalai sngi lasdang yaka ha ka arp khandai tarik uyayong arhaja apunrio bat layo ban pinkut minta kasi tarik ujemang arhaja apunrio hamadan Rowell Lingdo Stadium Maulangwir Southwest Khasi Hills district ya kanam overall team champion jong uni usnem layo da school Nativity Higher Secondary School kabalayo ban khur hadu khat southly kita kemar kser khandai tli kita kemar rupa bat pratli kita kemar nong kadba ya ka best match pass ha uni usnem layo da ka Little Star High Secondary School ya kene kalimpong lawan ban penha perda da uba Kernes Soshang uko chairman ka Meghalaya State Development Reform Commission haringkat kajing don lang uba D Singkon u DSO ka Southwest Khasi Hills district ba I Laurnyang BDO ka Maukarwat block uba M War u general manager ka DCIC bat kiwede ki officer kentup yekinong hikai bat khna school
the 1st of May 2026 the 12th Southwest Khasi Hills district level inter-school athletic meet 2026 is closed. Thank you.
The second contingent approaching the saluting base is the Biang Girls Secondary School, led by Larry Akor Wanyang, flag bearer Alfie Darihun Wanyang, and placard bearer Mongo Berry Wanyang.
Again, a huge round of applause for the best athletes of the under-14. So once again, let's give them a big hand and thank you very much, sir. And the best athlete of the under 18 years girls.
7 gold medals, 6 silver medals, and 5 bronze medals.
Maharam Government Higher Secondary School with a timing of 3 points. And the winners, Tenset Secondary School. First position, Tenset Secondary School with a timing of 3.22.15 minutes. Hina Ramsip.